Now when it comes to harvesting, you start to use dodooxylamethine. We also use nimbecidine. We put these two together and then they will make 2 in 1, and we spray on our crops. Dodooxylamethine and nimbecidine, they will help you to kill the insect and also clear the leaf. One of them is a fungicide and another is an insecticide. So we put them together and spray the crops, which will give you a good leaf. Now, like the previous crop I told you, which has a small leaf and does not give you a good fruit. So when you spray these two together, it helps your crops to give you good leaves, which in turn will give you good fruits. Now you see the other chili pepper, it has no problem at all. All we have to do is to maintain our spraying schedule. We have 2 kinds of sprays that we use. We use powdered, but we also use water spray. The powdered medicines that we use include bacteriamethrine, which is made by the Bukola company. It helps to kill insects that bring problems to our leaves, to the leaves of the crop.